Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I had to look up something how to get off the wheels. I'm sorry. But we were replacing this and then we were taking these wheels off, so you really have to have this. It's in your battery thing. Right as you buy it, it's in here. So keep it somewhere where you won't lose it so you can change your wheels, because these things are crusty and musty, and these things are brand new and not crusty and busty and dusty and rusty. So what you have to do is there's two little holes in the tire cage, right? I don't know if you can see them, but there's two little holes. You see those right there? You stick the pin thing in there, and you have to line it up or it will actually not work. So then what you do is you press on it very hard so it gets in there. And it's actually pretty hard. So, I mean, it's one of the hardest things I've... What if I turn it? Like, I was turning it somehow and it yeah, see, and then it comes off. So what you do is just keep pushing. Does it come out? Yanked it. Yeah, keep on doing this. And then, if you work it enough, it'll come right off. If you just work it. Yeah, there it comes. Here it comes. I gotta do this real quick. Then you just work it. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Alright, now we gotta do this side. No, there we go. And then where'd the stupid pin go? Oh, can't get the pin. But anyways. Take it again. Hopefully this tire is the easiest one because this is like the all-wheel drive one. So. Stick it in there, press and pull. So then go back and then pull. Go back and then pull. See that? Go back. Oh, there it comes. Look. This one's going to be like the other one, but then it comes off like very easy. Almost have the top off, so if I can get that top off, we spin in like hot sauce. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Why is it so hard? This hurts. It really does. Oh. There it goes. You just gotta watch. Keep twisting it and then pulling. Then you put it back in. Like you make it go all the way back, and then like just literally it's supposed to come right off. Oh, yes, come on, come on. It's this part right here that is making me mad, so. Come on, my friend. Pop off. It's not a challenge it's not no challenge who has the best time on. You just need to come off, and then I'll put your new friend back on. Guys, I think you're supposed... You're not supposed to pull, you're supposed to twist it. That just proves how dumb I am. The old crusty wheels, old crusty. I'll be right back. Give me like 1 minute, and I'll be right back. gonna be cleaning today. So we got the wax and the cars, like this stuff makes it real shiny. Floss and baby wipes. Or no, so let's get baby wipe real quick and go around just these things. So is in there. Get all the dirt off. We'll go around every single one like that. Alright, this one's next. Alright, now this last one right back here. Sorry guys, it's just, I just need to get this clean. Sorry. So then let's move this out of the way for now. We don't, that's the wax. We don't need it right now. So get another plain baby wipe. Wipe this battery thing, not hard. Go over the casing, no. Just wipe everything down. This thing right here. Clean the bottom gently, not hard. Get every single spot. Now this is where the wax comes in. So, and this, the wax will make it shiny. So what we do, we spray some. Give 1 sec, it just needs to come out. Oh, is this off? I know y'all saw that. It just went everywhere. This can't be. This is what's gonna really give it that shine. So. Alright, now we get the back. Treat me like dirty. Don't you know me? No, me. And now this side. Treat me like dirty. Don't you know me? Now I just gotta get the back. And we are good to go, guys. And get that final shine in. You already know. Get that waxy shine. And on the bottom, take this stuff, spray it. Smells like. Now, do this, clean it. We gotta clean our mess up. Clean. I can take the mirrors off? No, that's a cool part of it. Then I'm gonna go over it with wax after. But right now you have that shine. Wait until I put the wax on. Let that sit about 2-3 minutes. Get these older wheels out. I might go around doing all the wheels, so depends. All right. Make sure. All right. It's like some watery wax. Now it's when we go over it. Now you're gonna really see the shine. It's gonna look like what it looked like before, but like cleaner. So, boom. I will be right back. If y'all can give me 2 seconds. Hey, Mama. We only have, hold up. In 1 second. hungry. I'm really hungry. I haven't ate anything. I'm looking for it, guys. But, one moment. Alright. That's a set right there, right? No, that's a set. Sorry, guys. Alright, guys. So we're almost done, actually. Just need to pull something out of here. Y'all don't mind if I can sneak in here real quick? No. Okay. Another one. So just let me show you what I'm doing. Let me just show you what I'm doing. I'm collecting all these wheels. So, and we have 3 cars, okay? So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Alright, so I need 2 more tires, okay, guys? So, I think I just might find them in here. I might just find them. Shoot, gotta be trying my best to look everywhere in this bucket. So dirty in here. Oh, that, no more wheels. Sorry, guys. I am so sorry. What's in here? What is that? Well, guys, I don't think we have one extra wheel. I really don't, because I know, guys, you're probably saying, okay, I know. You're probably saying, but, oh, they come in the package, you should probably keep them somewhere else. So, like, you can use them if you need to. We did put them somewhere, but they disappeared. Like, I literally looked through a whole drawer. Our junk drawer. Our junk drawer. What was that in there? Tell me. Whichever wheels turn. The front ones. I'm just going to change this, I guess. Spending a lot of time looking, but like, I mean, can't do anything. Plopping the new wheel back on, boys. Plopping it on, plopping it on. Now, how do we put them on? Oh, got it. I gotta lock them in now. Oh. Yes, I got the wheel. Let's go. Sorry that I'm so happy. But it's just amazing. to get these new wheels on. Snap in. You gotta hear that click, so you know you're good to go. You feel me? You feel me? Alright, stick that in there. They all clicked in. Alright, make sure to push up after it clicks in. So ready guys, ready? So I'm gonna stick it in. Oh, backwards. I'm gonna stick it in. Heard a click, lift up, and you're good. Boom guys. New RC. Looks brand new. Alright. This is not mine. That's my mom's. She doesn't really care to have it, you know, broke. She loves everything no matter what. She loves all my fans. She appreciates it, y'all. She appreciates y'all. She appreciates y'all. She appreciates y'all. But yeah, I'm just gonna clean this one more time. Take care of my baby. I'll do part 2 of my baby drifting with her new wheels. With her new wheels. One more wax coat, I think will be good. So let that sit for like 1 second. But the first time I'm gonna open that, went crazy. Go crazy, pizza man, go crazy. Okay, wait, hold up. Go crazy, pizza man, go. Oh, dang it, why can't I do it anymore? Go crazy, pizza. Oh, almost. But anyways, fold this in half. Hey, frick. Fold it in half. And the squares. Stick this bad baby on charge after I wax this son of a butt. We're good to go. Now I got wax on the table. Y'all can still eat. Oh yeah, all that wax is making all this gunk come off. Wow. Or that could be the wax. Yeah, that is the wax drying. Well, make sure to scrub it in before it dries. That is the wax, Gunky. Gunky's going, it's telling me where you gotta wipe it. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you very, very much. I really appreciate it. If you even watch this video, not a lot of people watch my videos. But stay out of trouble, kids. Get a good job in life. I might be an RC cleaner. I don't know. But get a good job, guys. Get a good career. Now, I'll update you how this goes. Smooth shine. Yeah, that wax is protecting it. Power wax. Yeah. Boom, guys. So. Just going over it with the baby wipe. We'll be good to go. Put my headlight back in position. Now here we go. Let's wipe it last down. That wax will literally shine the most shine you'll ever see in your entire life, mate. Here we go. Last coat of baby wipe. Not wax, baby wipe. Last coat of that. And look at that. Look at that. That's not even like with it fully thing yet. But anyways, let's go, guys. Stick these things right back in. case we need to use them, which we probably will, but you never know. But anyways, guys, we got to, you know, put it back, clean our mess up, and we'll be good. So, thank you guys for watching. If you watched this whole video, make sure to leave a like, comment. Make sure to comment if this helped you a lot at all. Let's get this white stripe good. Going all the way up here. Let's get this cleaned. And yeah, we are good. G to G, man, G to G. So let's get this white thing real quick. Across the whole thing, yes. This will give it just that shine, and it'll keep it shining. So if you ever want to see anything shine, get this wax. Make sure to clean it very good, or the wax will dry up, make it kind of look dirty. But anyways, guys, it was fun doing this with y'all. It was very, very fun. It was very, very fun. So yes, guys, here's what your car should look like if you got the right materials at home. That's what it should look like. Give it a tour. The new wheels on the bottom look good. So yeah, that's car number 1 done. Now, with this car, this is a special car. She's my mama's car. No, why can't I get all 4 wheels? Oh, I can't. It's time for these wheels to go. My mom's drift cart has been through a lot lately. I'm gonna take this cover off. She sprayed wax on hers. Huh. I did not know that. She sprayed it like until you kind of see it. I don't know if you can see it or not. But she sprayed wax on this side. And as you know, I didn't touch this. I'm not gonna wax hers. Because if she wanted to do it, she could did it. But I'm not gonna wax it because it's not my RC car. I'm just taking the wheels off. I'm gonna go surprise her with it. Goofy, aw. No! Why does that thing always scare me? Something's breaking. I can't get this out of the ground. 1 man, 2 man, 3 man down. What the heck? I just have to turn it around and watch. I'll pop it right out. Like I said, what the frick? What the frickety frick, guys? What's poppin'? If you're a YouTuber, you're watching this, I'm going to end this video. Sorry, had a good journey. What I'm going to do is change the wheels. So, y'all grow up, get a good job, and I will see y'all later.